Bosch Measuring Tools offers the most complete range of laser and measuring tool products to meet the productivity needs of a broad range of building and construction applications. This is the Bosch GLM 50 Laser Distance Measurer, the ideal laser distance measurer with the most commonly used features. The GLM 50 measures at the speed of light with an accuracy of 1/16 inch to a distance of 165 feet. It is simple to operate by just aiming the laser at the spot to measure to, press the button, and within 1 to 2 seconds, the measurement is shown on the backlight display. The GLM 50 includes the most commonly used measurement modes: length, area, volume, continuous, and indirect measurements. The continuous measurement mode allows users to walk off distance from objects. By using the indirect measurement mode, the height of an object can be found within 2 clicks of a button. First, measure to the bottom of the object, and then to the top of the object. The GLM 50 will automatically calculate the height by using the Pythagoras theorem. With the backlight display, measurement results are easy to view in dark light conditions. With an intuitive 7-button keypad, the GLM 50 is easy to operate and learn. By just pressing a button, the display will switch between feet, inches, and metric. The GLM 50 is the ideal laser distance measurer that comes with a belt pouch and batteries. Experience the productivity and accuracy of the GLM 50 on any job with measurement needs.